Go to the game folder. Select GTA. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Choose the option to run this program in compatibility mode. Click to show the options. Select Windows XP Service Pack 2. Also, click to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Select GTA, right-click it, click on Show More Options. Click on Create Shortcut. Select the shortcut, right-click it, click on Properties. Press the right arrow key to go to the end of the path and press Space. And write CPU count 1. Click on Apply, click on OK. Use this shortcut to start the game. Inside the game, press the Escape key several times. Also, try to move your mouse when you're on the menu. And keep doing this for several times, until you can move the mouse again. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.